When science explains a core philosophical or spiritual idea I believe in, it makes me feel so good. I'm going to be talking about that spiritual idea and then explain it via quantum theory. Interbeing is a core idea from the venerable Buddhist monk Thich Nhat Hanh that explains how everything is interconnected and that there is no concept of objects separated, but that everything has a connection point. And this idea is beautifully illustrated by quantum theory, which also talks about interdependence and interconnection. Famous physicist and inventor Federico Fagin said, that the only way to explain free will and consciousness is if we come out of the belief that universe is a deterministic model. He talks about how everything in quantum field is inseparable. For example, if you were to think of the two colors red and orange, where would you believe red ends and orange begins? There has to be a point at which there is no red or orange. They are together. So then everything is a quantum field, and quantum field can have three properties. One is that it is dynamic or changeable. Second is that it is holistic, that is connected. And the third is that it has self-will, so it has consciousness. And if you follow this hypothesis to its fruition, realize that there is this concept of oneness. So everything started from a whole and from a one. How amazing is that? Thich Nhat Hanh said, everything is a continuum and you cannot cut reality into pieces because reality is a continuum, and it is so beautifully explained by Federico as he talks about quantum theory and its extension into consciousness and free will.